Well, good morning. It actually is a morning. It's 10:18 at night. Oh man, I feel so much better. I got good sleep. Now we feel like driving between 600 and 700 miles tonight. At least 600. We're leaving rural Mount North Carolina. This Love's has only been open for about a year. I found it by mistake. Cruising up through Virginia, into West Virginia, up into Ohio, Indiana, Missouri, and Iowa, or not Iowa, but Nebraska. That's our journey out to York, Nebraska. Stay tuned, everyone. I'll be back. Going through the Walker Mountain Tunnel. Here on the 77 in Virginia. Like a rock. Did y'all hear about that unfortunate accident in the Green River Tunnel in Green River, Wyoming the other day? Several semis and several cars, big fire, several fatalities. Lots of prayers going out to those people. I've been through those tunnels hundreds of times. We were dropping like a rock. Stay tuned, I'll be back. We're about 20 miles south of Dayton, Ohio, on US 35. Looks like we'll be running into a little bit of snow up here for the winter weather advisory. down a little bit. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be back in a while. It's starting to get slick. Starting to get slick. Just on the south side of Dayton. I think I can cancel out getting 200 more miles down today. Definitely have to take a 7-3 split on my next drive shift. As you see, I'm not one of those drivers that rush it going through snow, ice, snowpack roads. Not going to do that. Alright guys, stay tuned. There was like 5 semis involved in an accident right there at the junction of eastbound 70 and a 75 back there in Dayton. Whiteout just about 2 miles ago. We'd only seen maybe 100 feet in front of me. Now the one thing I don't want next to me driving this type of weather is a vehicle. If they lose it, they can come right into me, right? So I've been in this stuff for well over an hour, probably an hour and a half. I've done about 40 miles. Camera doesn't do it justice. The roads are actually worse than what the camera is showing. Guys, I just want to put this out there. In conditions like this, do us truck drivers a favor. Don't ride so close to us. Please. Give yourself plenty of space. I've got a little car behind me that's probably 20 feet off my DOT bumper. what's going to happen. Go right up underneath my DOT bumper. So, just a word out to the wise. Stay back at least 100, 150 feet in conditions like this. So you have a chance to stop. I don't know if you just saw it, but on the left-hand side of the screen, where that state trooper was, there was a jackknife rig in the ditch. I've driven in conditions like this many winters going across Wyoming. Never had a problem. Because I don't get myself in a hurry. The TA is coming up here pretty darn soon. That's where I'm going to call it a day. Fuel up. Cleaning my windshield off. Have about 6 miles to go. Alright guys, I'll be back. That was just a little PSA. Okay, we decided not to stay at the TA because they only have a Burger King in there. So we're going to go about 25 miles west. I was hoping to get to the northeast side of Indy, but that's not going to happen. Got my windows clean. See, I got my wipers clean. Got my fuel. It is bitterly cold out there. It's 29 degrees, but there's about a 25, 30 mile an hour wind. There are whiteout conditions too. Driving behind the snowplow? Hell no. Into Indiana, guys. They've done a really good job on the roads. Here on the western side of Ohio. you back. Welcome to the snowstorm of February